We got a loader here for Grand Power Stribog, the SP9A1 pistol, and that's going to be model 744X. I'm going to put in here for the Grand Power Stribog. So this one's slams in all 10 rounds at once. I'll go ahead and start showing you that. So yeah, this one was kind of a unnecessary challenge. Most recently, let's see, Leonard. It's actually, we've got a couple magazines here. That one there is on loan from Leonard. Sent us that one to double check fit. Yeah, if these slider loaders that we build, if they're not exactly for the right model, just let us know. We'll build you what you need. So I have this little stabilizer thing here to help alignment. You see that that locks in there nice, and yeah, it goes in there like that to keep that alignment consistent. Slam those in there. I'll go ahead and load it all up. This was, it seems like the 20 round mags are the most common ones. Yeah, so Christoph out in Belgium, he had mentioned this one, this particular loader need for the Stribog back in March of 2007, and started a journey of trying to find, try to get that magazine into the U.S. Work with Eagle. They didn't have them. They were, back ordered, or then they did have them, then they got back ordered, and all that wonderful stuff. So, anyway, there we go. Got all 20 in there. But I didn't actually receive my magazine until that was in May 2018. So it took quite a while. But anyway, so here's then we got this little ejector here as well for unloading. And this actually works out pretty good because this thing likes to, feed you a few extra bullets when you're unloading. So you see it wants to eject a bunch. So having this is like just works out nicely. When you're going to unload the magazine after, you don't want to keep these things full because plastics always tend to creep under pressure. So anyway, it makes the unloading process a lot easier. Not just so you're not separating your thumb from your finger, but separating your thumbnail from your thumb, pushing those out, but has that little cavity just not purposeful bonus to keep those things from jumping out. So anyway, we got that there, 10 rounds, Grand Power Stribog, and if you got a Scorpion, don't buy that one, or vice versa. Now the 708, this is a single rounder, that works good on it. That way, if you don't want to, you're in a situation where you don't want to carry that thing out in the field or whatever, and you just put that one in your pocket to get those last couple rounds in. Super helpful. Something else was on target. Oh yeah, so you don't have to use this little stabilizer. That's just the other thing. I designed all these loaders so when you're holding them, you can bench load them, like that, and then also if you're in the field, you don't have to do it on a bench. You can just do it, by hand like that, and just hold it, and then just pushing it. It doesn't require the bench. That's just a little bonus there. Anyway, there you go, guys. Thanks so much.